Today I went out eating in Chiltern in the Bowling Green pub. It was really good, the food was really nice, the music wasn't too loud, and people were following all the social distancing rules. It was so good to see my boyfriend as well. And then I had a bit of a walk around Chiltern with him. And now I'm back at home. I have just got home and I had a really good time today, walking around Chiltern and eating out. I was a bit nervous at the beginning. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content.